Can I day trade on Webull? Day trading on Webull is possible, but it comes with both significant benefits and important limitations that users should consider. An interesting fact is that Webull does not charge commissions on trades, which makes it an attractive platform for active traders. Additionally, the platform supports margin trading, which allows traders to leverage their capital and increase potential returns. However, another surprising fact is that Webull, while offering margin accounts, requires users to maintain at least $2,000 in their accounts to use margin for day trading. Furthermore, users who make 4 or more day trades within 5 business days are classified as pattern day traders, which brings a $25,000 minimum equity requirement to avoid restrictions on further trades. The major advantage of using Webull for day trading is its commission-free structure, which helps keep costs low. Webull offers a variety of trading tools including real-time data, technical indicators, and customizable charts, which appeal to active traders. It also provides extended hours trading, allowing users to react to news and market movements before or after regular trading hours. Additionally, Webull's platform is user-friendly, offering a clean interface that's easy to navigate for beginners, while still providing the necessary tools for more experienced traders. On the downside, Webull's lack of access to advanced features such as Level 2 market data can be a drawback for traders looking for deeper market insight. The absence of features like direct market access and the need for a $25,000 balance to avoid day trading restrictions may also limit traders with smaller accounts. Additionally, customer service can be slow at times, and more advanced risk management tools are absent compared to other day trading platforms. Despite these limitations, Webull remains an appealing choice for those seeking a low-cost, easy-to-use platform for day trading, especially for beginners or casual traders.